Okay, good morning students. Today we are going to study exercise 1.6 and our topic is international systems. So I already told you that as the topic came in our exercise, and I am going to explain you about the international system. In international system, I already told you about that in that system we are putting the commas just after the 3 digits. इट मीन्स मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि हम इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में कॉमास कहाँ से लगाना शुरू करते हैं, पीछे से थ्री डिजिट्स के बाद हम कॉमा लगाते हैं. एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू लाइक दिस ओनली. इन इंडियन सिस्टम वी आर डूइंग 3 2 2 2 लाइक दिस, एंड इन इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम वी कंटिन्यू विद द 3 digits. Okay, 3 digit, then 3 digit, like this you can put the commas in international system. And how we are reading it. Okay, here I make a place value chart for international system. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. After 10,000 in Indian system we read lakh, but here we read 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So here the first example I wrote here for you, 64099. I put in the place value chart of international system. Ones is 9, tens is 9, 100 is 0. See, ones is 9, tens is 9, 100 is 0, 1000 is 4, 10,000 is 6. Like this we will place into the place value 99046. Similarly the second one is 640898. 8 is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Now how we read it? Now the question raised is how we read it. Place value chart में तो आप arrange कर लेंगे कैसे, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and then 100,000. Indian system में we are writing lakh in place of 100,000, then 10 lakh, then crore. Now in the international system, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. After that 100,000, million, then 10 million, then billion, 10 million, then trillion. Like this we go on according to the international system. So here in this exercise 1.6 we have only up to the 100,000. So you just make the place value chart up to 100,000 according to the given numbers in the exercise 1.6. So students, how we read it? First it is, see, here the first one is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Here we will read 64,099. First one is write in number form, write in words. So 64,099. 99. Now come to the second. See, second is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. This is an Indian system, but we have to write in international system. So how we will read? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So this 3 digit, how we read? 640,000, 640,000, 640,000, 800, 98. See, 640,898. Like this you have to write in international system. How we read, I told you, सबसे बेस्ट है अगर आप कॉमा लगाएंगे, कॉमा लगाने के बाद सारी चीज समझ में आ जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने यहाँ एक और नंबर लिखा 9864543. Okay, you put the commas after the 3 digits. So 986,000. 986,000. It is 986. So how we will read in international system? 986,443. Hope you understood how to read and how to write. As you read, like that only you have to write in the solution also. Hope you understood about the international system. International system में सिर्फ आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, place value charts में आप ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and then 100,000, not lakh. After 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million, billion, 10 billion, then trillion. Like this, the place value chart will be made. So now see here, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Here in our exercise, we have to make the place value chart of the given number. आपको numbers दिए होंगे, place value charts बनाकर उसमें put करना है. And then you have to it was written in the word also. Then you have to write in numeration form also. So let's begin our exercise 1.6. Hope you understood this by this example. On this examples only the exercise 1.6 is based. So let's begin our exercise 1.6. So here students, exercise 1.6 and question number first, complete. Here the number is written 527426. Here they are saying, they are asking to fill the blanks that how many 100,000s are there, how many 10,000 are there, how many thousand are there, how many 100, how many tens and how many ones. So we will read from here by putting the commas. Here see 527,000. 500, it means how many 100,000 are there? 5. Okay. Then how many 10,000 are there? 20. Okay. How many thousand are there? 7. Sorry, how many 10,000 are there? 2. Okay. How many thousand are there? 7. How many hundreds are there? 4. How many tens are there? 2. And how many ones are there? 6. So see students, as we read according to the international system, 527,000. It means 5 की जो place value है क्या है? 100,000. And then it is after 500,000 it is 10,000. How many 10,000s are 10,000? It means 2. 2 की place value जो है वो 10 है. How many 10,000s are there? 2. And then this is also 1,000. How many thousands are there? 7. Then how many 100 are there? 4. How many tens are there? 2. How many ones are there? 6. अब आप कहोगे सर इसको आप thousands क्यों रीड कर रहे हो, 7 को इसको 10,000 क्यों रीड कर रहे हो? Because in international system we are reading it like this, 527,000. It means how many 100,000s are there? 5. How many 10,000 are there? 2. How many 7,000 are there? How many thousands are there? 7. How many 100 are there? Here we will read 426. So see, how many 100 are there? 4. How many tens are there? 2. How many ones are there? 6. Now the question number second, write the numeral for. It is written here 400,000, 410,000, 2,000, 800, 410 and 31. 400,000 means 4. Okay. 410 मतलब 110 equals to 10. 410 means 40. Okay. 40, 10,000 and 2,000. So कितना हो गया? 42,000. Here you can see that 400,000, 410,000 and 2,000. So 442,000. Then here 800, 4 tens means 40, 3 ones means 3. So 843. 442,843. Hope you understood these two questions. Question number first and question number second. Then we will start the question number third. Okay, now students, see question number third. Write the place value of each digits of 4, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6. first you have to do like this. It is like this only, it is in your textbook also. So we have to write the place value according to the international system, not Indian system, international system के according इसकी place value हमें लिखना है. So now see here it is how we read ones. It means 6 into ones. So what is the place value of 6? 6. Here tens. It means 10. 5 into 10. So it is 50. Here it is 100. So it is 200. Here it is 1000. So it is 4000. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 2 is 200, 5 is tens. It means 50. 6 is 1. So it is ones. Now 4 is thousands. So it is 4000. Here it is 10,000. So it is 30,000. 10,000 में कितने zeros होते हैं? According to that only. Okay. So 10,000 में कितने zeros होते हैं? 4. So we will place the 4 zeros with 3 because ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 3 into 10,000, 30,000. Similarly, here we comes after 10,000, 100,000. It means 4 into 100,000. It means 4 lakh. कितने zeros आ जाएंगे? 5 zeros. 4 lakh. और ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. और इंडियन सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग भी ऐसे ही प्लेस्ड करते हैं. So, but here we have to put according to the international system. So it is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 100,000 it means 4 into 1 lakh. Okay. So here it is 4 lakh, 30,000, 4,200, 50 and 6. So it is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Here 100,000. Now we will start the question number 4. Okay students, now the question number 4, here it is, write 13525 and 42534 in the place value chart. Place value chart में हमें arrange करना है, it's according to the international system. So what is the place value, how we were making the place value chart according to the international system? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Here the first one is, according to here, from the back side, we will place the value. Now see, ones. How many ones are there? 5. How many tens are there? 2. How many hundreds are there? 5. How many thousands are there? 3. How many 10,000s are there? 1. Okay. Now the B one. See, how many ones are there? 0. How many tens are there? 4. How many hundreds are there? 3. How many thousands are there? 5. How many 10,000s are there? 2. How many 100,000s are there? 4. How we are reading it? After putting the comma, then 425,340 according to the international system. Hope you understood this question. Okay. Now the question number 5. Write the numbers name of 324675 in international system. We have to write the number name according to the international system. So how we will write? We know that first we have to put this number according to the international system. It means सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसको international system के according इसमें हम comma लगाएंगे. As I already told you कि international system में commas कहाँ लगता है? Just after the 3 digits. 3 digits के बाद ही comma लगाते हैं और continue करते जाते हैं. 3 digits, then 3 digits, then 3 digits. Like this only as much digits are there. Here only almost 6 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know that after from the back side we are putting the commas after the 3 digits, ones, tens and 100. After the hundreds we are putting the 3 digits and continue. So here we are putting the 3 after comma after the 3 digits. It means यहाँ पर हमने 3 digits के बाद पीछे से comma लगाया है. Then we will read it according to the international system. मैंने आपको कैसे बताया read करना? ये क्या लिखा है? 324. Okay. So it was read like that. 324,675. मैंने आपको बताया कैसे रीड करते हैं. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So here we will read 324,675. Like this we have to write in international system. So then we hope you understood. We will begin our question number 6. Okay, here the question number 6. The students write the numeral for 432,861. Hope you are seeing in the book also. See the again I am reading 432,869. Here the number name is given. We have to write in number. Okay, we have to write its number according to the international system. 432. So 432,869. 869. Then you put the comma. Okay, now the question number 7. Here the question is saying write the numeral for the following number name in Indian system. आपको एक number name दिया हुआ है that was in the international system and they are saying write in the Indian system and its name also. So how we will write? First we will write in the Indian system. सबसे पहले हम उसे number में लिखेंगे Indian system, international system के according. How? See here. First it is written 235. So 235,460. It is the international form. Now, hence in Indian system, how we will write? We will place the comma according to the Indian system. हम इसमें क्या करेंगे? Comma place करेंगे Indian system के according. Then we will write its name also. It's very easy. See, in Indian system, how we are putting the comma? Just पहले आप 3 digits के बाद comma लगाते हैं, फिर 2 and then 2 again 2. Okay. Now first we will put the comma after 3 digits, then 2. So how we will read it? 2,35,460. 2,35,460. Hope you understood this question number 6th and 7th. So almost our. Okay students, here our exercise is finished and the chapter is also finished, but in the end there is an exercise workbook like that only in your book also, that you have to do it yourself. In any case, if you are not able to understood any of the sum of that exercise, that you have to ask to me in the WhatsApp group. Hope our chapter is finished and you have to complete in your pair copies also. Hope you understood for all the chapter. If you have any doubts, you can ask to me in the WhatsApp group or you can comment in the YouTube also. Please subscribe the channel as I will continue to the second chapter. So as I put some videos on my YouTube channel, then you got directly. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो ज़्यादा आसान होगा, क्योंकि मैं जैसे ही कोई नया वीडियोस वगैरह डालूंगा जो भी सेकंड चैप्टर का होगा, तो आपको तुरंत वहाँ नोटिफिकेशन भी मिल जाएगा आपके चैनल पर, एंड देन डायरेक्टली यू कैन गो टू माय chapter 2 and you can study there also directly. Okay student, thank you. We will begin our chapter 2 in the next session.